Tell us how long you've been out here.
Oh man, since last Sunday, like Sunday afternoon, like 6 o'clock. We've been here, what's the day, Monday?
Yep, Monday.
Yeah. Weekend a day, week 2 days, really, Monday. So I've been here weekend 2 days, and I've been on site the whole time.
Really?
Yeah, we come here, we got here last Sunday, run in the morning, take a break, run again in the afternoon. I've been on site. I've been home once since then to go get parts. Other than that, I run all day, pick up guys in the morning, take them over there to the job site, where they pick up their equipment at, and then come back, we make rounds in the morning. Me, got here that you just saw, that's Keith, and behind him is a girl named Sheeba, and behind her, Jake was in the second.
You got that many buses out here? Other people? Okay.
Yeah, we the only bus company on site, and so we run in the morning, we take a break, we just kind of hang around here, or hang around that other drop site during the day. 4:30, 5 o'clock, we start by running again at like 11:30. We just
Y'all, you sleeping on the bus every night?
Oh, yeah, we sleep on the bus, yeah.
Is it comfortable? Like,
not really, but we ain't going nowhere till it's over.
it's just easier to stay on site.
Just stay here, yeah. How you doing?
How
All right.
Good morning.
you doing?
Good. Way to go for the chick bus driver. Good. Look, I got to get a fist bump. Look. Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to mess up your introduction.
Oh, no, you good? Yeah, this is my sister.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, my name is Sheeba.
So where you from and how long you been out here?
Sandersville, Georgia. I've been driving now for about 8 years.
Go girl.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I do this and I drive trucks also.
Do you?
Yeah. I love it. I love
Y'all doing a good thing though. This is beautiful.
Yes, it
You
is.
know, I'm just loving the way the city coming together, and I've been watching the Facebook pages and just the way people been helping each other. It's just real.
Yes.
Most of us we've never lived through anything like this.
No.
I'm 52 years old and I've never lived through nothing like this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Crews on the left.
Yeah.
Half of them going left, going to North Carolina, off to the Florida. Other hand, going, what are they going, Florida?
Florida.
Yeah, they posted, they get a lot of posted up. So it's not exactly as busy as it was when we first got here.
Okay.
But so when we first got here, yeah, the buses would be full every morning, like going back and forth. We'd be full, take them over, drop them off, and then come back and fill up again. So we fill up like 3 or 4 times. It was over. They said it was like between 400 and 500 guys that were here, well, men and women that were here.
Wow.
So
Wow.
yeah, now we're probably down to probably 200 or so.
Okay.
We got a lot of areas with no power, still have no power. They haven't even started the cleanup situation yet, so it's just, we're hoping it'll get together.
Yeah, I sure hope so. It's just a lot. Stay safe.
Yes, ma'am, you too.
All right.
All right, I'll see you later.
Man, that's awesome. You got great drivers. You like being on camera?
No.
You don't? For real? I'm come back, whatever, I get you, because I think Bob ready to pull off.
Yeah.
Well, just kind of, get the words from the drivers. You say you take the guys to their equipment. There's more equipment than this?
Yeah, we ready to pull off, go to the other side. So if you, wherever you can find a seat on the inside, I think it's about midways down, so.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm sorry. I'm Carol, by the way.
Jose.
Jose. Okay, nice to meet you.
Oh, you're Jose? Yeah. There's millions of you guys.
Right. Lots of
Jose
Jose.
and a bunch of Spanish guys are there. Probably all turning around. What? My grandpa's name was my dad's name was
Oh, wow, yeah.
my
So,
brother's name was I'm named was
a lot of y'all. Well, mucho gusto, Jose.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you stationed? Where you work out of? What city?
Delaware.
Ah, wow. It's a lot of you guys from a long way off. I understand there's linemen here from Canada.
Like far away.
Mm-hmm. So I was telling my brother there's like a lot of people out here that want to help. There's folks that offer to do laundry. There's a guy posted on Facebook yesterday. He was like, I'm going to be out of town from Tuesday to Friday. Is there a lineman that would like to come and stay in my house? And the community outpouring has just been amazing. Just people want to cook, want to do laundry, everybody's concerned about the lineman.
You know what's the funny thing about this?
What's that?
We don't even qualify for first responders.
That's what somebody was saying yesterday. They were like, why are linemen not considered first responders?
It's like the redhead stepchild.
Aw.
We make the world go around. We don't get enough things.
Oh man. It's been so much thanks for the linemen on Facebook, in the groups or whatever, the Augusta groups, CSRA. Some people popping in like, hey, well, what about the tree cutters? Because everybody talking about the linemen.
Linemen takes down trees.
Huh?
We can cut trees too.
Okay.
But for the actually company that work for, they have two trimmers. We were the ones cutting trees. So it's like, you know, a doctor performing territory. Save one person at a time.
I got you.
But it saves the whole entire hospital. Harass one people. Yeah. And that'll maintain everybody in jail.
The lineman.
Without power,
That is so true.
you enjoy your phone? I say you enjoy your phone?
I do. I gotta credit that to the lineman too, right?
Without charge, you ain't nothing, right?
Right.
Well, ain't nothing.
You're absolutely right.
All right.
So, kind of help me understand the process. So, if I just saw all those utility trucks over at the fairgrounds, you guys get on the bus and come here, and then what?
We meet up where the job is at. We get a text box with an address. And then we show up there. Then we'll figure it out what we're doing that day.
Okay.
They don't want any trucks parked over there. They park the fuel.
They don't want to park over where?
Over there, where we were just at.
Okay.
So it's hard for the trucks to get fuel. So they move everything out of here and easier for the truck. I'm not thinking fuel trucks.
I got you. So the trucks that I just saw are not the ones that you work
The
on?
ones that are over there is the tree trimmers.
Okay.
So there's a little bit different between the trucks. Even though they both like bucket trucks. So there's a difference between their trucks and our trucks.
Okay. I'm learning.
And they have like another, I think it's like 7 places like this.
Wow.
There's only a little bit of us here, and a little bit of other people in different areas.
Okay. So from here, how do you guys know whether they're sending you to a different site to work, or you get to go back home?
Well, there's a guy that comes in charge of our group. He's in charge of community with Georgia Power. So Georgia Power gives him, hey, this is where you're going to be after that. So he relates that information to us, and then we show up there. From there, then we start working.
So Georgia Power decides when you go home.
Pretty much, yes. Yeah.
Have a good day, guys.
You too.
Alright, so it's a mix here. Tree trimmers and then the utility truck. What do you call y'all's trucks? Is it a utility truck or?
Yeah, bucket trucks.
Oh.
That's all.
contagious. Goodness. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Y'all safe?
Yep, stay safe. Have a good day.
Anybody else getting off this side?
Yeah, I am. Off the street.
For you? Okay.
Somewhere there. I always got to figure it out when it comes to the morning. Right here.
It's nice talking to you, Jose.
Nice talking. Appreciate it.
You're okay if you end up online somewhere, yeah?
I'm okay.
You're okay with that?
As long as it's not another woman in there, my wife will find it. What are you doing next to that girl?
Is this yours right here?
Oh, yeah, my shirt.
Okay. Have a good day. Stay safe. Okay.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Stay safe. Stay safe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem. Y'all be safe.
Yeah.
Have a great day. Stay safe.
Yeah, on the other side? Okay. Really? Yeah. All right.
This is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, where's that?
Have a great day.
You too.
Stay
All right.
safe.
Take it easy, man. You too. All right, yes, sir.
Have a great day.
Yes, ma'am. You too.
Y'all stay safe.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. No problem. Y'all be safe today, man.
You too, sir.
Hey, hold on real quick. The other kid left his clothes bag underneath.
Okay. Is he headed? He's coming this way?
Oh yeah, he's right behind me.
You going all the way to the end or the center line?
I'm going to the center line.
Okay, gotcha. All right.
Just get my clothes, man. I can leave it behind.
Last one? The last one? Okay. Bye. You at the front of the lineman, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah.
That was Jay there, and the other bus.
Oh no, that was Keith. That turn around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was Keith.
This good.
Yeah, we met Jay as he was coming out.
Oh yeah. Have a good day.
Come in.
Stay
All right,
safe.
take it easy.
Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Have a good one.
When you was coming in on this lot, Jay was
Yeah,
coming
he was
out.
coming out, and we met him in that curve.
Oh, okay.
As you were coming in, he was headed out.
Wow.
All right. That's everybody.
I'm gonna walk the bus, make sure anybody's sleeping back here. I'm just teasing. Nobody back here hiding, sleeping. All right. That's everybody.
Yeah, it's
Just
kind of quiet now, but when we first started, that whole lot over there, like the lane we went down, it was like both sides for this whole lot would be for, and if you leave here, go out here, make a left, we go straight across when we leave out. But if you go to the left, it's actually a training track down there, but they had truck parked all the way around the track.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so it's like I said, they put it together real fast, like, and it was, and like I say, when you do something like that, a lot of times you got to work the bugs out of it or work out the kinks. But for it to be just put together that fast, it was efficient. Yeah, of course, it had its little quirks, but for the most part, it was real efficient.
Yeah.
For it to be Georgia, not have a whole lot of storm experience. You know?
Right. I was thinking about that as soon as I passed the exhibition center this morning. I'm looking at all those trucks out there. I'm like, the sheer amount of coordination.
Right.
You know, that goes into getting everybody in place.
Right.
All these vehicles. Yeah, Georgia, we don't have that much storm experience, but I guess, so many linemen from all over the work so many storms from.
Right.
Yeah, it's a lot of coordination.
It is.
I mean, just the logistics. It's crazy. They make it happen.
Oh yeah. So we'll see if we can catch Jay on the other side before we get rolling. It's been coming out like that in smaller loads, so it's 6:30. We'll have small loads like that all the way up like 9 o'clock.
Okay.
And when we first started, we running all the way. We had full loads all the way up to 11 o'clock, back and forth all morning. And then again in the afternoons. And so we'll meet Sheeba. So Jay's gonna be pretty good ways behind her. She probably got 20 people on that.
Okay.
Like this smaller shuttle bus.
Okay.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. How you doing? Right.
Good morning. Morning.
Una italiana que se llamaba Flores y hablaba francés, español, inglés, de todo.
A lot of cities and a lot of countries represented here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Buenos dias. This is Carol, aka Cielle, here on the morning of October 7th, 2024. And I'm here at Columbia County Fairgrounds. It's here in Columbia County, Georgia, Grovetown. And so I'm proud to come out and just spend a little bit of time featuring Bravo Charters, my brother's transportation company, getting the linemen to and from the different stations. Let me just put it like that, because I don't know all the official terminology or whatever. So yeah, it's it's a lot going on here, and just a great opportunity just to get on the bus, ride the route with my brother here as he's running the lineman. Oh man, just amazing work here. I'm marveling at the sheer amount of coordination, the logistics behind what had to go into all this, and what had to happen behind the scenes to make all this work, to make it tick, and to tick well. So shout out to all the linemen, all the people working behind the scenes, the ones that don't get the credit or whatever. And everybody's talking about the linemen, the folks working behind the scenes to make all this happen logistically. Thank you for all of you. Everybody's got a hand in getting us back up, empowered here in the CSRA. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And I know I speak for all of the CSRA when I say thank you. A lot of great people, a lot of Spanish-speaking people. So I'm gonna make sure I put this up in both English and Spanish. So yeah, let's pop down to the.
No way.
That's my nephew, Jazen Folsom.
We out here working at the Columbia State Fairgrounds with my dad, Bravo Charters. We got these linemen here trying to get everybody restored from the storm. And very nice guys, met some great people out here, learned a lot of different things.
Oh man, what you say?
It's just a great environment to be in.
Yeah.
Transporting them from here to this nice site. It's about 5 miles up the road. Nice setup.
Yeah.
Like I said, great people. I'm glad to be a part of it.
Oh yeah, I'm proud of you, man.
Helping everybody try to get restored.
Right, right. Like your daddy was just saying, it's a lot of moving parts. Oh my goodness. When I came out here, I came by the Columbia County Exhibition Center. When I saw all the trucks and the tents over there, I'm like, I'm just thinking the logistics, the coordination. You know, who is behind it. Oh my goodness. It's a lot of work to go on to make all this tick. What? Oh my goodness. Getting everybody in the right place and making sure. I've been out here trying to use my little Spanish. I should have known, but it was really surprised me this morning. A lot of Spanish speaking.
Oh, yeah. Very, very diverse.
Yes.
Just kind of park.
Okay.
And got something to go do it. Some of them run home or whatever.
Okay.
And then 5:30, we line back up on the other side, start coming back this way again. So we kind of quiet this afternoon.
Okay.
It's pretty much a wrap up this morning. It's got to be thinning out because it's 8:42. Normally when we first started, it's 10 o'clock. We were still picking up whole bus load.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so everything is kind of thinning out right now. And everybody, like say, some going North Carolina, some going Florida, just going different directions.
Okay.